So how I capture good audio is I usually mic the officiant. I usually mic the groom. Well, I always mic the groom. So mic the officiant, mic the groom, and if the DJ has a soundboard or is the one that's actually working the sound and stuff like that, sometimes it might be in a church and there's an audio team, people that sometimes film the whole thing and record the whole thing. Go talk to those people. If the DJ, if it's not the wedding DJ and the DJ is just booked for the reception, and you go in a place of worship, there's usually people there that work the sound, and they're gonna mic their officiant, their priest, or their pastor, or their rabbi, or their I don't know, hey, you know what I mean? They're gonna mic their whatever their person, okay? So make sure you get good audio from their person. So sometimes what I've done too is I also mic their person, the officiant. They mic him, I mic him too. You know what I mean? So that way, just in case something happens with their microphone or their audio, whatever the situation, you are backed up with your audio. You're good to go. Okay. And in case the monitoring whatever messes up over there, yeah. In case that messes up, you're good because you've mic'd the person, the officiant. And the groom's camera, I mic the groom, so I can when they're exchanging vows, I can get those vows nice and clear. As far as the bride, I've only mic'd the bride a few times. Um, but when I do mic the bride, I use a white lavalier mic. Where's that mic? A white lavalier microphone lapel, so that way the you can't see that in film, okay? Because it's gonna be really, it's gonna blend. Sorry, it's gonna blend in with the white dress, okay? So use a white lavalier mic when you are miking the bride. But some brides don't like being mic'd. This one bride was like, no, I don't want to. My dress is too tight. I don't want to have I don't want to mess up your mic. So she made an excuse, and it was fine with me. It's whatever. I was miking all these people to go anyways. So yeah, so the bride, it's hard, but if she's willing to work with you to mic her, then hey, mic her. And if you have a female assistant, which I do, I usually let my assistant touch all the cleavage and all the area there, so that way I don't look like I'm trying to do something. So I'll just mic the guys. Anyways, so yeah, so that's the situation there. So you need to mic all these people, so that way you have a contingency plan in case something happens, and also just so you get the best quality audio, because you're going to be outside. There's going to be kids crying maybe in the audience, baby cries in the audience. Maybe there's you by where cars are passing by. All that ambient noise is just going to be too much. But if you mic all these people and you use that crisp, clear audio, you're not going to be dealing with a lot of this other, ambient audio, ambient noise. And also in the post production, I'm going to show you how to clean your audio. So you're welcome. Okay, so yeah, so that's how you do it. That's how you capture good audio. Just mic all these different people, and that's how you capture good audio at wedding ceremonies. It's no secret. When you see all these weddings and you're like, oh, how do they capture such good audio? They mic the people that are talking. And sometimes you're like, oh, but I don't see the mics, because they hide them properly. Some of them like use tricks to whereby they put the mic underneath the shirt with like a tape and stuff like that. You could get all that stuff. So just mic the people, you get good audio. Okay. I have a behind the scenes of me talking to different DJs and different people at worship places. And just watch how I go about talking to these people behind the scenes, down there, behind the scenes. Go and check that out. Okay. Yeah. So I just created a course for all you guys, all you wedding filmmakers, I just created a course called How to Film Cinematic Weddings. So in this course, you will learn everything that I've learned through my years of filming weddings, because on the YouTube channel, everything is just scattered all over the place, and in some cases I don't go in detail. But in this course, since you guys will be purchasing it, I will go in full-length detail, giving you everything that I have learned through these years of filming weddings. So from the ceremony to reception, to the B-roll, editing wedding trailers, to editing wedding highlights, all the tricks, all the tips, everything, guys. You can actually look at the content before you access it. You can look at everything that the course offers. I know, like right now, everything is crazy with the pandemic, and 2020 was worse. 2021, you can get more weddings now because things are slowing down with the pandemic. So with that being in mind, and understand that everybody's struggling right now, guys, I've added 50% off on the course. So it's just going to be 50% off. So that way, at least, you know, it's going to be an affordable price. I mean, think about going to film school. How much are you going to pay at film school? But when you come to my course, it's very, very affordable. Anybody can purchase it, especially the beginners. I'm looking at you guys, you know, because you guys want to get established in the business. So I want to help you with this course with adding more bonuses, and I'll keep adding more stuff for you guys in the course.